Welcome back everyone. In this video, I want to show you how to stop TikTok showing you videos which you're not interested in. Before you begin, don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you enjoy these kind of videos and turn on bell notification. If this video helps you out, then please hit that like button and let me know in the comment section down below. So, are you seeing content on TikTok which you're not interested in? Or maybe you don't want to see content from a specific user or from a specific sound. Since TikTok learns your watching habits, it then displays a similar video to you in the For You page. So let me show you how to stop TikTok showing a video which you're not interested in. Open your TikTok app on your phone. Now make sure the For You is selected at the top. Choose a video which you're not interested in or you want to see less of it. Long press on the video. You'll see a menu appear. From the menu, select Not Interested. This will then remove the video from your For You page and TikTok will tell you that it will show fewer of that type of videos. Now if you want to stop seeing videos from a specific user, then you can long press on the video. Within the menu, you'll see Not Interested, but if you look to the right of it, you'll see more options. Tap on it. Now tap on Hide Video from this user. This will stop showing you videos from that specific user. Again, similar methods can be used if you want to hide videos with specific sound. And there you go, that is how to stop TikTok showing you videos which you are not interested in. My name is Karthik and you're watching Simple Dad. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one.